Africa, the oldest story on Earth. Here, the land breathes, the wind whispers across the plains, and each day writes a new tale. The rising sun over this continent is not just light, but also a symbol of life. Africa gathers all shades of existence: strength, delicacy, resilience, and beauty. The vastness of the savannas, the harshness of the deserts, the mystery of deep forests, and the grandeur of mighty rivers, together with the creatures that inhabit these lands, form a perfect harmony. The most iconic symbol of Africa, the embodiment of power, the lion. Its roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away and rules the savannah with a sound that is one of nature's most powerful symphonies. The lion is not just a predator, but also the protector of its family. Females hunt to feed the pride, while males ward off danger with their strength and presence. Cubs learn to hunt through play, preparing for the future. Every step and glance of the lion evokes a mix of awe and fear. It teaches us that strength is not only to dominate, but also to protect and care. On the African plains, under the sun, tall and elegant giraffes walk with calm steps, as if they came from another world. Their necks seem to reach the sky. They are not greedy. They choose only the highest leaves, showing that in nature, everyone occupies their place, calmly, but meaningfully. Giraffes remind us that to reach our goals, patience and delicacy are essential. Every movement conveys serenity. Every glance, elegance. The fastest land animal in the world, the cheetah. It can reach speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour in seconds. But its speed is not only strength. It is also agility, flexibility, and focus. Approaching its prey silently and then moving like lightning shows the miracle of perfection in nature. The cheetah teaches us that swiftness is not only physical movement, but also the skill to seize opportunities. When the sun blazes overhead, enormous hippos submerge in Africa's waters. They seem calm, yet are among the most dangerous animals on the continent. They live in rivers and lakes with their families, coming out at night to feed. During the heat of the day, they remain submerged, protecting themselves. They teach us that behind calmness can lie great power. African elephants are the largest land animals on the continent. Their greatness is not only physical, but also emotional. Herds are led by matriarchs, and everyone cares for the young. When an elephant loses its mother, the whole herd protects it. Their memory is so strong that they can recall water sources even after years. They teach us that true strength combines intelligence and compassion. The African sky is filled with birds of 1,000 colors: parrots, small sparrows, eagles, and owls filling the forests with melodies. During the day, the flapping of eagles is heard, and at night the owls dominate the silence of the savannah. The colors and sounds of birds represent life's diversity and richness. They teach us that freedom is more than flying. It is enjoying every melody of existence. In Africa's rivers, crocodiles silently lurk beneath the water. Witnesses to centuries of history, they have barely changed. They can wait for hours for the perfect moment to hunt. Their strength lies not only in their jaws, but also in their patience. They teach us that sometimes victory is achieved not through force, but through strategic waiting. African life doesn't rely only on large animals. The smallest ones also play essential roles. Termites build massive nests that sustain the ecosystem, and ants show discipline in its purest form. Their work supports the fertility of the land and the life of plants and trees. They remind us that even the smallest effort can have a huge impact on the world. When the sun sets, Africa reveals another face. The sky fills with stars, and the savannah bathes in silver light. Owls begin to sing, coyotes howl, and every sound seems to hold a secret. The night reminds us that life exists not only in the daylight, but also in the calm of nocturnal mystery. Africa is not just the land of nature, but also home to ancient peoples. Hundreds of tribes live here, each with its own language, dance, song, and tradition. The Maasai are known for their red clothing and energetic jumps, while the Zulu tribe is famous for its warrior spirit and rich mythology. Himba women cover their skin with otjize, a mixture of clay and fat, protecting them from the sun and symbolizing beauty. Life in the tribes is simple yet meaningful. They deeply respect the land, the animals, and the sky. Every custom, every story keeps Africa's soul alive. These tribes remind us that true human strength lies not only in technology, but also in staying connected to roots, traditions, and nature. In Africa, rain is not just water, it is the very essence of life. When the first drops fall upon the thirsty desert soil, a miracle occurs beneath the sandy sky. Dry grass dresses in green, flowers suddenly bloom, and animals arrive from afar to gather around puddles and rivers. Rain in Africa is a symbol of joy and hope, because every drop is a promise that life will continue. Africa. Salvage is the eternal school of life. Every creature is a teacher, every sunrise a lesson. The lion teaches responsibility of power, the giraffe, the value of patience, the cheetah, how to seize opportunities. The elephant symbolizes the strength of love and wisdom. The hippo shows that behind calmness lies power. The birds represent freedom and life's colors. The insects remind us that small efforts have a huge impact. Africa is not just a continent. It is the essence of life, the symphony of existence, the eternal masterpiece of nature. If you enjoyed this journey through Africa Salvage, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell for more incredible nature documentaries. Which place would you like to explore in the next video? The mysterious Amazon rainforest, the Himalaya mountains, or the depths of the ocean.